But with this one, I was just blowing them big piles and like lifting them up and blowing them forward. It was awesome, y'all.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, this thing is powerful. The Echo PB-9010. Hey, that was just like a little quick video of me blowing leaves with my new Echo PB-9010. That blower is a beast. It is a beast, man. Like that freaking tube, it's powerful. I am happy. You know what I mean? Yeah, it costs money. Not really that much. You don't make your money back with these big leaf pine needle cleanups. You're always turning down because you probably think, oh, it's too much for me, I can't do it. Hey, with this blower, you could do it. I'm telling you, man. I did my research between the Stihl BR800, the Red Max, I forgot what the name is, and the Echo 9010, and I'm going with, so far, Echo 9010 was so far the powerful blower, you know what I mean, out of all the videos. So I went with it, no regrets. I called my wife. I was excited, you know what I mean? She was excited for me. But yeah, this blower's a beast, y'all. Hey, my recommendation, all right, Echo PB-9010 all the way, all right? So that's what I wanted to do. I was like lifting up the pine needles off, big pine needles off the ground and blowing them forward. That was my intent. That's the reason why I wanted a powerful blower like this. If I was to stick with my 580 T, my Echo 580 T, the residential, I'd be there all day, man, just blowing little by little. But with this one, I was just blowing them big piles and like lifting them up and blowing them forward. It was awesome, y'all. I don't know if you saw a little bit in that video. I wanted to make a good video for it, but I was in a rush trying to get this cleanup done. All right, I was on the timeline. But I hope that little video I showed you, me blowing the pine needles, was satisfying for you. And I hope it answered your questions. Stihl, Red Max, Husqvarna, or Echo. So, hey, that's my recommendation, y'all. That's what I chose. I did my research. Yeah, out of all of them, the Echo is a little bit heavier, and it does waste gas more. But in the meantime, you are blowing faster. You're getting the job done fast, all right? So that's the outcome. That's the pros, all right? That's the pros, okay? So I'm satisfied, y'all. Echo. Hey, I have Stihl string trimmer, edger, hedger, chainsaw, but with the blower, y'all, it's Echo, man. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hey, God bless you on the next video. Bye.